we are going to take a fresh chapter. The name of the chapter is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. You know, how are forests made? Do you know how did they come into existence? Forests are formed as part of natural vegetation. These forests give rise to wildlife living in it. Let us know more about natural vegetation and wildlife. So the first topic that we are going to discuss is factors which affect the diversity of flora and fauna. First one is land. Land directly and indirectly affect the natural vegetation. Nature of land influences the type of vegetations. If the land is level and fertile, it is mainly used for farming. If the land is uneven, then grassland and woodland develop over it. Second one is soil. Different types of soils are fit for different types of vegetation. For example, sandy soil is fit for cactus and thorny bushes, while wet and marshy soil is fit for mangrove vegetation. Temperature and humidity is the next point. Temperature and humidity are the main factors which determine the character and extent of vegetation. An area with high temperature and high humidity supports evergreen forest, while an area with high temperature and low humidity supports thorny bushes. Photoperiod. What is called photoperiod? Photoperiod is otherwise known as sunlight. The duration of sunlight is called photoperiod. So the photoperiod depends on latitude, altitude, season and duration of the day. Okay friends, now let's move on to the next topic of this lesson, that is types of vegetation. There are 5 major types of vegetation in India: tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest and mangrove forest. So let's study each of them in detail. First one is tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforests are confined to area of heavy rainfall. Such areas are in the western Ghats, upper parts of Assam, Tamil Nadu coast and the island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. And the areas which receive more than 200 cm of rainfall and have a short dry season are the best area for tropical rainforest. Almost all kinds of vegetation like trees, shrubs and creepers are found in such forest. The forest has a multi-layered structure. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona are some of the commercially important trees of tropical rainforest. Elephant, monkeys, lemur and deer are the common animals in these forests. Apart from them, a large number of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions and snails are also found in tropical rainforest. Now move on to the second one, tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are the most widespread forest of India. They are spread in those regions which get rainfall between 200 cm and 70 cm. They are also called the monsoon forest. So the other name of tropical deciduous forest is, yes, monsoon forest. The trees of tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves during summer. These forests can be divided into 2 types on the basis of availability of water. So the first one is moist deciduous forest. The moist deciduous forests are found in areas which receive rainfall between 200 cm and 100 cm. Such forests are found mainly in the eastern part of India like northeastern states along the foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa and Chhattisgarh. And they are also found on the eastern slopes of the western Ghats. Come to the second classification, that is dry deciduous forest. The dry deciduous forests are found in those regions which receive rainfall between 100 cm and 70 cm. Such forests are found in the rainier parts of the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Teak, bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwoods, kher, kusum, arjun, mulberry are some of the commercially important trees in these forests, and lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant are the common animals in these forests. Additionally, a large variety of birds, lizards, snakes and tortoises are found in these forests. Okay friends, now let's move on to the third type of vegetation, that is the thorn forest and scrubs. The thorn forests grow in those regions which receive less than 70 cm of rainfall. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of India. Examples are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. The main plant species in such a forest are acacia, palms, euphorbias and cactus. The trees are scattered and they have long roots which go very deep in the ground. The stems are scaled to conserve water. Leaves are usually modified into thorns to prevent evaporation. Camel, rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horse, etc. are the common animals in thorny forest. So now let's move on to the fourth type of vegetation, that is mountain forest. The forests in the mountainous areas are called mountain forest. Different types of vegetation are found at different altitude in the mountains. The wet temperature type of forest is found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meter. Evergreen broadleaf trees such as oak and chestnut abound in such forests. And the temperature forests are found between the height of 1500 and 3000 meters. Coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar abound in such forest. And the alpine vegetations are found at height of more than 3600 meter. These forests are mainly found along the southern slopes of the Himalayas and at high altitude in southern and northeastern India. There are some common animals in these forest areas. They are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, bear, rare red panda, sheep and goats. So these are the common animals found in these forest areas. Move on to the final one, mangrove forest. So mangrove forest is the fifth type of vegetation. Mangrove forests are found in the deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri. Roots of the mangrove plants are submerged underwater. Hollow roots grow out vertically above water so that the roots can breathe. Sundari trees is the most common trees in such forest, especially in the Sundarban Delta. Royal Bengal tiger is the most famous animal of these forests. Additionally, turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are found in these forests. So, we have studied about the types of vegetation. There are 5 major types of vegetation in India. We have studied about the tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, mountain forest, and the fifth one is mangrove forest. Now, let's move on to the next topic, that is wildlife. So friends, now let's discuss about the wildlife in India. There are more than 89,000 animal species in India, and also there are more than 1,200 species of birds in India. Elephants are found in the hot-wet forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinos are found in the swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Wild ass and camels are found in the Rann of Kutch and the Thar desert. Indian bison, nilgai, chauzinga, gazelle and many other species of deer and some other animals are found in also in India. And you know friends, India is the only country in the world which has both tigers and lions. There are 14 biosphere reserves in India. 4 out of these, the Sundarbans in the West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttaranchal, the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu and the Nilgiris in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Okay, now let's see which are the 14 biosphere reserves in India. They are Sundarbans, Gulf of Mannar, the Nilgiris, Nanda Devi, No Creek, Great Nicobar, Manas, Simlipal, Dihang Dibang, Dibru Saikova, Agastya Malai, Kanchenjunga, Pachmari and Amarkandak. So these are the 14 biosphere reserves in India. And also Project Tiger, Project Rhino and Project Great Indian Bustard and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced in India. 89 national parks, 49 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritages. So friends, let's wind up today's class. This is it for today. In this class, we have learnt about the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. I hope all of you understood this lesson clearly. We'll meet you in next video with another interesting chapter for you. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.